We at Tatum just made our roadmap public. Here's why. So we have been getting a lot of great feedback from our community in our Discord. And as part of that, we have included some new cool features in our SDK. Two of those are chain agnosticism and provider agnosticism. Let's see what they are. So with chain agnosticism, you can get consistent human readable responses in all the queries across all the different RPC chains. Not just that, the response quality is really high and more human readable in our other submodules like tokens, NFTs, notifications, and more. Coming to the provider agnosticism, with provider agnosticism, you don't have to rely on a one single RPC provider to use our SDK. So basically, you get the whole feature set of our SDK and you can use that with any of the RPC provider that you want. You can know more about chain agnosticism and provider agnosticism in the two linked posts above. And as you can see, these two cool features came from you guys, aka the Tatum community. And that's why we thought that it will be really amazing if we can just make our roadmap public and we all can shape the best Web3 SDK together. So here's how you can create a proposal in our public roadmap in less than 5 steps or under a minute. So all you have to do is visit our discussions page for our roadmap in our Tatum GitHub. And then you can just click on this new discussion button to create a new discussion. That could be a feature request or a bug report that would be taken up to fixed in our roadmap, or maybe to create a new feature in our roadmap. Or it can even be something that you just ask for help. Maybe something is not working in your code that you would like to ask to community. You can create that as well here in a thread. You can also ask that in our Discord, the link for which will also be in the post somewhere above. So let me just choose feature request for now. And then I can fill up my title and the description of the feature request that I'm requesting. I'll not create a new one though, because we already have some feature requests that we can see on our main page. So once you create a feature request, it looks something like this, where we see the title of the feature request that you're requesting and the user details that they have submitted. And then we reply to your feature request, we gather more information. And once the feature makes a lot more sense for most of the people in our community, which they show up by upvoting these discussions or the proposals, we push that to our roadmap. So here's how you can see what are the things which have been accepted for the public roadmap and what are the progresses in the same. So you can visit our roadmap page, for which the link will again be up somewhere in the post. And then you can see what is planned for this current quarter and the next 2 quarters. You can click any of these roadmap items to know more about it. For example, I'll open the Tezos integration and then you can see all the features that have been planned to be shipped together with this new roadmap item. And once we have some progress, we also update that here in comments so you are posted as well. So we are excited about the future of dApp development and we welcome you all to shape the best dApp development tool out there. This was Shiv, product manager at Tatum. See you next time.